build a sturdy foundation for the economic future of our area. Closely allied with marine iron and shipbuilding is another Meierhoff company, Modern Constructors Incorporated. Modern Constructors is located directly south of the main Meierhoff Building and is connected to it. Together, Marine Iron and Modern Constructors occupy about 85,000 square feet of space, completely equipped for industrial construction. An additional 44,000 square feet of space is used for warehousing and machine repair. Modern Constructors is an efficient, highly qualified piping contractor, offering to power and chemical plants, to pipeline companies, and to municipalities services for planning, engineering, fabrication, installation, field service, and cost analysis. Modern has worked on major construction projects throughout the area, including water and sewage systems for cities from Duluth to Escanaba, Michigan, for Reserve Mining Company, for Murphy Oil Company, which maintains a refinery in Superior. Modern's customers range from American Steel and Wire Company to Northern Cold Storage here in Duluth. Modern Constructors has pioneered many technical services, including an entirely new pipe bending process, which is available in the United States only at Modern. Modern Distributors was organized in January 1959, following liquidation of the Marshall Wells and Kelly Howe Thompson companies. It was formed to provide a convenient source of industrial supplies to firms in northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and upper Michigan. In September 1967, Modern Distributors transferred its operations to a three-story building in the Meierhoff complex. The new location features a newly renovated warehouse, added truck loading space and railroad trackage, and a completely remodeled office area. Modern Distributors' pattern of industrial supply lines has continually changed and grown, keeping abreast of the increasing needs of the area's industrial economy. Whether it's a special valve to meet an unusual operating condition, a high tensile alloy bolt to meet the needs of today's new equipment, or any of 1,000 items, the chances are you'll find it in stock at Modern. In October of 1967, the Williams Brothers Company of Tulsa, Oklahoma, opened offices in the Meierhoff Building in order to design and supervise construction of a major portion of the $200 million pipeline project that will bring natural gas from Western Canada through the central United States and on into the eastern industrial sections of Canada. Williams Brothers are design engineers for Great Lakes Gas Transmission Company. Their engineering department and offices are located on the 7th floor of the Meierhoff Building, where 50 employees are busy at work preparing the engineering for an immense project that will culminate in the construction of an important link in the vast interconnected power fuel systems of North America. The operations of the Williams Brothers Company are of continental importance, and the Meierhoff Building here in Duluth provides the setting for a major portion of the Great Lakes Gas Transmission Company's design operation. For the Halverson Equipment Company, the Meierhoff Building provides needed warehousing space for Skidoo snowmobiles and Aaron's snow removal equipment and lawnmowers. The Halverson Company is a growing enterprise, long familiar to Duluthians as a supplier of Christmas trees throughout America. And today, what began as a small family business has grown into a strong company of 40 employees and the largest snowmobile distributorship in the world. Beginning in 1959 with a network of 7 dealers in the immediate Duluth area, the distribution of Skidoo by Halverson Equipment has spread to a 7-state area with a network of 350 dealers. The next product acquisition took the Aaron's Lawn and Garden products and includes snow throwers, lawn tractors, riding and push-type rotary lawnmowers. The combined Bombardier tractor, Skidoo, and Aaron's lines made office and warehouse space a premium. Halverson's growth made the acquisition of 47,000 square feet in the Meierhoff complex a necessity. On the 6th floor, Business Data Corporation, a new electronic data processing company, provides computer services to businesses which do not have their own equipment. All new equipment, including the Honeywell H120 system, is in operation, serving clients such as Geno's Incorporated, Duluth's producer-marketer for Geno's Pizza and Italian foods, and Wilderness Desserts. Business Data is the largest electronic data processing firm in Minnesota north of the Twin Cities and uses the first Honeywell EDP equipment in Duluth. 8 data processing specialists are available to provide small businesses in our area with sophisticated services such as computer time rental, contract computer programming, system design, and analysis. Here, an expert staff can unravel the mysteries of a 16,000 position character memory, 450 lines a minute printer, 4 magnetic tape drives, microsecond internal cycle speeds. For the layman, a complex technical language means that the most modern technical facilities are now available for the advantage of business at the head of the lakes. Nationwide Papers Company leases over 28,000 feet of space in the building and provides the most modern paper service center in northeastern Minnesota. Nationwide can offer complete stocks of both printing and industrial papers manufactured by leading mills in the United States, including the full line of Northwest Papers, manufactured in Duluth's neighboring communities of Cloquet and Brainerd. The letters FOK are a familiar symbol to building supply dealers and hardware companies throughout the central United States. They stand for Farwell, Osman, Kirk Company, which in June of 1967 moved into completely remodeled quarters on the second floor of the Meierhoff Building. Farwell, Osman, Kirk Company maintains office and warehousing for its floor covering division in Duluth and supplies retailers throughout the area with nationally known products, including the complete line of Armstrong. Farwell, Osman, Kirk use over 22,000 square feet of floor space in the Meierhoff Building. Office and storage areas, an attractive lobby, express, freight, passenger elevator service are all available. St. Mary's Hospital in Duluth, presently undergoing an impressive building expansion program, leases space in the Meierhoff Building for storage of supplies. The renovating of the Marshall Wells complex into what is now the modern Meierhoff Building was a big job. It is also a continuing job as new space is made available for tenants who need new, office and warehouse facilities at the head of the lakes. Dozens of Duluth firms lent their special talents to the work of remodeling. New quarters continue to be developed as the old windows and appointments are removed and replaced with bright new architectural and decorating features for tenants to come. The renovating of the Meierhoff Building has been underway since July of 1966 and is substantially completed. The new complex will eventually provide more than 320,000 square feet of space with steam heating, an effective sprinkler system for fire protection, modern lighting, air conditioning, a full-time security guard, passenger, freight, and express elevator service. The entire complex is served with complete railroad and truck loading facilities, in addition to over 1,000 feet of deep water slip with mooring and dock facilities. Tenants are provided with adequate parking space as well. The name Meierhoff is a respected one in the construction industry. Maintaining such a reputation is the result of providing quality and service over many years. The Meierhoff Building, as Duluth's newest service center, will continue to build on that well-deserved reputation. Here is Mr. Marvin W. Meierhoff.
We are very pleased to be able to offer these new facilities and services to the business and industry of our area. of redesigning and remodeling of the former Marshall Wells buildings. The present structures provide more than 320,000 square feet for office and warehouse use. It is our hope that this modern facility will add to Duluth's ability to serve as a business center, to expand its economy, and to compete better with other areas. We have a great confidence in the future of Duluth and the area for which it serves. The establishment of the St. Lawrence Seaway, the growth of the taconite industry, and the expansion of the forest products industry, with the increase in manufacturing activity throughout our area, all combine to give a stronger economy and a bright future. We are pleased and excited about being a part of the good future which this area will enjoy.
The F.I. Salter Company of Duluth is the building agent for the Meierhoff Building. For more information on office and warehouse space in the Meierhoff Building, contact John Hoff Jr. at the F.I. Salter Company in Duluth. This program was produced for the Meierhoff Building by KDAL Incorporated.